Dear students, today we are going to start lesson number 6 of class 8, that is the first part of networks. Hello students, now what are network components? The components which are needed to facilitate an effective communication from the source to the destination are referred to as network components. See here, there are basically three elements which are essentially needed. Sender, it creates the messages to be transmitted. Medium, it carries the transmitted messages to the destination. And the third is receiver, which receives the messages from the source. For example, whenever we are talking or whenever we are dictating something in the class, I am the sender, the medium is the air, and all the children are the receiver. So you are at the receiving end and the medium is the air. Start with communication system. What is communication system? A communication system is a collection of individual communication networks which interconnect and interoperate to form an integrated communication environment. The purpose of a communication system is to facilitate effective communication between the source and the destination. It involves the following elements. The first element is network components, second is transmission media, third is transmission signals, and the fourth is communication resources. Let's start with network components. We have several types of physical channels. Communication media through which data can be transmitted from one point to another. The transmission media used for communication can be classified into two categories. Wire-based transmission media. In this mode of transmission media, the communicating devices are interconnected via cable. The signal flows from one device to another through a connecting wire. Example, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber cable. In the case of wireless transmission, the communicating devices are not connected through wires. The signal from the transmitting device travels through the air in the form of electromagnetic waves to reach the receiving device. For example, radio waves, microwave in the case of communication satellites. Now, dear students, what are transmission signals? When data is propagated from one point to another, so it is being transmitted in the either form of electrical or digital signals. What are digital signals? Digital signals, they are always come in the discrete data form, which states only two conditions, either true or false. Example, जैसे कि computer is a digital machine. We are having the weighing machine in the form of digital also, and the analog which is continuously wavy in nature. Wavy in the sense it keeps on varying, it keeps on changing. जैसे कि आपका होता है radio transmission waves, TV transmission waves, isn't it? And we are having so many analog devices also, like your thermometer. Earlier, you remember, you used to have the thermometer जहाँ पे एकदम changes होते रहते थे. But nowadays we are using the digital thermometer. We are having the wall clock, which is also analog, meter scale, which is also analog. Your radio transmission waves, TV transmission waves, they all come under the analog signals. And digital signals, like your laptops, cell phone, blood pressure measuring machines nowadays. We are having the blood pressure machines which are in the digital format only. Now students, we are going to cover up the next part in the next part of my video. Thank you.